Although I wanted to do this from Greenfield, I ran out of power. Sorry, everybody. I know. Hang on. Fixing the situation here. Oh, come on. Get out of the way. Idiot. Sorry. Alright. There. We have the belated 4th of July fireworks.
Yeah, nice.
Sorry, I had to do this from my work spot. It was the only place I could come to get like power real quick. But hang on, I still got like blurry cam. Hang on. Sorry, I'm trying to fix this. Alright, now just have to put up with blurry cam, I guess. Sorry. You know it's a jigsaw production when you have stuff like this. I do try. Well, at least you can see him better. Well, from here. It'd be much better if I could be down back in the field. But, yeah, oh well. Come on, there's got to be a way to fix this fucking kid. All right, hang on. Let me make a part 2.